Hi everyone, my name is Juan Manuel Vallejo. I am studying of Engineering Industrial of Universidad Abierta, Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. I am from a 17 group, and in this opportunity I will be talking to about my reflection of item uh, that I chose. Okay, go on. The title is in the race for the better and more agile decisions. The purpose. Through this visual aid, I seek to reflect on the current business situation and explain in a practical way the importance that the technological part takes today in the development of organization, but above all, how important is in to understand the new strategies for the application to the inside the directive and productive structures, interacting the administrative and productive areas in transversal way. He about based on the concepts expressed in of the patent document suggested technology management concepts and practices. By Soleiro and Castaño, the authors, defining competitive intelligence as the process of gathering, analyzing, and disseminating information about the competitive environment in order to make better decisions. Okay, it is important to understand that the need for organization to be increasingly more competitive is increasingly driving them to generate a research culture to obtain different processes and producer with the better results. Animate at the vein chapter faster and better. This premise it will make it clear that the organizations that are the forefront in the different markets are those that have made a change based on the research of new and better techniques to apply in production process and that have given them better results and that have enhanced their process productive and transversally, achieving in the integration of the different areas of each company, understanding that all areas are whole on the production is the result of several contributions. Consequently, and as a result, companies are developing implementation of technological innovation not only in their production process but also others are doing it basing on benchmarking, understanding, studying and applying with the best do and can be implemented transversally and that prints. The same feeling for all the company's actors. All this is finally translated into the need to make decisions in a more agile and productive way that allow the organizations to be in the blue ocean of opportunities and that they are rapidly on the rise and on par with their competition, guaranteeing sustainability over time. In conclusion, it's necessary that as in motorsports and racing, in the world of productive and organizational competitiveness, we are always looking in the review and the mirror and the panoramic view at all the drivers of the race. In a many cases, they are the ones who will give as the star and the response to best practice to always be on the podium. The application of new and better techniques almost always obeys the observation of the environment, understanding how it can positively or negatively affect my organization depending of the attention with which the events that occur are observed. They occur daily in the technological advances and what can I take from it to implement. Thanks.